Investing in the education of children is like investing in the future of a nation. According to Member of Parliament Constituency 077, Honorable Engineer Abdul Kagbo, he has done a lot since the former launch of the free quality education, stressing that he has been providing textbooks, bags, geometry sets, and other teaching and learning materials for pupils of his constituents. He noted that he has eliminated a major impediment to learning, especially for parents who could not afford the high cost of training their children in schools.
Education is what changes a man's situation. There are a good number of lawyers who today are cab pushers because they are not educated. There are a good number of engineers who today are they are truck pushers just because they are not educated. So education changes the destiny of somebody, and it is a crime even on the innocent kids for them not to be educated. You know, I see it as a burden. I see it as an obligation. I have a passion for education. That is why I'm lending, my fullest support,
Honorable Engineer Kagbo said educating children was not politics. It is an obligation, noting that the future of our nation is above politics.
I have always said if the agenda is good, we are left with but no alternative but to give our fullest support to the operations. Today, our conglomeration here is as a result of the fact that we intend to support the President's agenda in the free and quality education. As an opposition MP, I have stated severally that I am not opponent to the development of this country, but I am a proponent to the development of this country, and I should be seen fully participating in agenda that gets towards promoting Sierra Leone, because Sierra Leone does not belong to a single political entity. Yesterday it was APC, today it's SLPP. Tomorrow it will be any other party. So whatsoever geared towards promoting the status of this country should be seen as our obligation and our responsibility.
An orphan, Salimatu Sise, was one of the beneficiaries. According to her, if not for the intervention by Honorable Engineer Abdul Kagbo, her life would have been miserable. She, however, noted that the contributions by Honorable Kagbo will make her pursue her dreams and aspirations and become a better person in society.
I live in a village with my mama. My mama died, left me. So my papa be sick. My auntie will go for go take me, wink out me. Emmanuel the helper, in back in sick. So I decided for go meet Honorable Abdul Kagbo one afternoon. I go try to run for help. Say I want go school back. I sit MPS 2016. As I sit MPS, I stop for go school.
I was living in the village with my mother until she passed away, and my father was in a critical health conditions. My aunt took me from the village, but later a husband who was sponsoring my education seriously fell sick, which prevented me from going to school. I decided to meet Honorable Abdul Kagbo, who is now helping me with my education.
For Madam Fatima Tabai, a parent of the beneficiary called on parents to monitor their kids at home, stating that as pupils, they should make their books as part of them.
Let God bless this man. You don't do well for picking it. Because one, like we so will not get people there help me. This man God count and for let can assist with picking him. Let God give him more. We're glad for that.
May God bless Honorable Abdul Kagbo for the support, because we don't have the upper hand to buy all these learning materials.
In addition to the developments in Constituency 077, Honorable Engineer Abdul Kagbo has constructed an office in the constituency, which will bring him more closely to the people. For SLBC News, Jonathan Turner reporting.